Good evening to all of you, the people sitting on the dais, off the dais, students, and other delegates. Although I'm standing, my name was announced as S.N Singh, Vice-Chancellor, Madan Mohan Malaviya, University of Technology, Gorakhpur. But I believe I'm standing as IEEE representative. I basically represent whole India, that is the India Council we call. There are 11 sections, and Uttar Pradesh section is one of them. Our neighbors like Delhi section, our Gujarat section, Bombay section, Hyderabad section, Calcutta section. Similarly, we are having the Bangalore, Madras, and Kerala sections. So this all 11 sections chairs, along with their representatives, we try to improve the quality as well as other things benefit quality of the conferences and benefit to the members. I also represent Asia Pacific. This technical activities is specifically emphasis on the conference, industry interactions, humanitarian technologies, and no doubt about the newsletters to promote the promotional activities of the Region 10. As you all know, this Region 10 is the last region. So we are having whole IEEE having more than 425,000 members. There is 125,000 members are from the Asia Pacific, and of the 50% from India. That is 60,000 members are there. So this conference, the first, it is no doubt 6 in series. The first one was allocated the IEEE, the first in the Amity campus, and also the first of the spin was sanctioned when I was the chairman of IEEE Uttar Pradesh section. So this journey starts, is the spinning now. We have come on the 6 shapes or 6 editions. Similarly, there are other events also in Amity keep on running, and almost every year, the 5 to 6 conferences of IEEE sponsored. IEEE sponsored means there are the various sponsored schemes are there, where the papers are uploaded to IEEE Explore, online available, so it increases the visibility of the authors, and that the citation, etc. increases. So this is also going on the same way, but there is other things as well. There may be IEEE sponsored but not technically sponsored, or it cannot go to Explore. It also happens several times. So whole this IEEE mandate, or that we want to promote the quality. Already this your general chair said, this one of the big concerns of the conferences which is happening in our region, and I can tell you this almost every day we are having 3 conferences in the region. Means more than 800 conferences, those are going to IEEE Explore. And apart from that, there are many. Those are not even though either cited by the Elsevier, Springer, or it may be simply local events. So you can say on average 10 conferences each day in this Asia Pacific. In India itself, I can tell every day we are having approximately 2 conferences. So this is a very enormous, large amount of conferences are happening, and that is one of the concern, not in the volume, but in terms of quality and the plagiarism or copying issue. And the India and the China is one of the very culprit, and always people say the papers are India's, not good quality, or maybe the China. So we feel ashamed once we listen it. So gentlemen, I want to say that try to avoid this plagiarism issue, copying issue. You can write in your words, try to improve the quality of the paper. That will increase the citation, not only the number. Nowadays, people are going for the number. Number has no importance. Now people are asking, even though you are having one paper, may have the more than 20,000 citation. Many people are having, and they are the winner of, they are the stalwart. So if you are having the limited with the quality paper, citations are increasing, means people are referring your paper, that is a citation. And if that is increasing, that is the real quality of your work. So there's various issues are there, and this spin, no doubt the signal processing, which is technical, and signal, as you know, everywhere. Whether it is a mobile signal, whether it is your own signal to talk to somebody by the voice signal, or maybe your symbolic signal. So signal, whether electrical, mechanical, everywhere. And the processing part, I think it is not untouched to any discipline, whether it is a civil, aeronautics, any engineering. So this is a very wide and very emerging, this signal processing techniques are there, where we can solve the various typical problems which is not solvable. So this conference is very great. Similarly, even though NCR region, I can tell you on the signal processing, there is a 2 conference today itself. One was in JP, one is in Amity. So you can see this volume in this very close by how the signal processing is rising. So I want to tell you this conference is no doubt, it is more than 280 papers, 266 are presented, and then plus 20 more. So large number of, even the people are interested to write the paper, to do the research. This shows how we are increasing our research activities. There were various people are here, they will be given honor. So I wish, many times I have come here at this platform for the Amity, and we are very much associated, even though in December also I was here, where we did another workshop totally altogether different than technical. It was the leadership and entrepreneurship seminar, where the mostly industry people were there, and the good gathering, good discussions, and chatting was there. So I wish this conference, you have taken away some of the great things of the conference. I hope that you have enjoyed, and you will be getting the fruits, even though later on also after reading the papers of this conference proceeding. Thank you very much.